2. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Everyday Eats. Today, we're firing up the grill and taking your BBQ game to a whole new level. Forget those store-bought pre-marinated wings. We're going to make the most incredible, fall-off-the-bone Smoky BBQ chicken wings you've ever tasted. And trust me, it's easier than you think. First things first, let's talk about the wings. You want to start with fresh, high-quality chicken wings. Pat them completely dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial. I can't stress this enough. It's the secret to getting that perfectly crispy skin that everyone loves. No one wants a soggy wing, right? Next up, our flavor foundation, the dry rub. This is where the magic really begins. In a bowl, I'm mixing together smoked paprika for that deep smoky color and flavor, some brown sugar for a hint of sweetness, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of chili powder for a gentle kick, and of course, salt and black pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Get in there and coat every single wing generously. Make sure every nook and cranny is covered in that delicious rub. Now, for the smoky part of our Smoky BBQ wings. We're using wood chips. I prefer hickory for chicken because it adds a beautiful, classic BBQ flavor, but feel free to use apple or cherry wood for a milder, sweeter smoke. If you're using a gas grill, you can use a smoker box or just create a little foil packet for your soaked wood chips. On a charcoal grill, just sprinkle them directly over the hot coals. All right, it's time to grill. We're aiming for indirect heat here. This means we'll have the heat on one side of the grill and the chicken on the other. This method cooks the wings slowly and evenly, making them super tender on the inside without burning the outside. We'll let them cook for about 20 to 25 minutes per side, turning them halfway through. You're looking for that beautiful golden brown color and crispy skin. While the wings are getting happy on the grill, let's talk sauce. You can use your favorite store-bought BBQ sauce or whip up a quick homemade one. The real trick is when to apply it. Wait until the last 10 minutes of cooking. If you sauce them too early, the sugar in the sauce will burn and turn bitter. Brush a nice even layer of sauce on both sides of the wings and let it caramelize on the grill for a few minutes. That's what creates that sticky, finger-licking glaze we're all here for. And there you have it. Look at these beauties. Perfectly smoky, incredibly juicy, with a crispy skin and a sweet and tangy glaze. These Smoky BBQ chicken wings are the ultimate crowd pleaser for any cookout, game day, or just a Tuesday night. Thanks so much for grilling with me today. If you try this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next delicious adventure. See you next time.